there was some questions about how to use the Geo tab and how to track the guys. So we're going to use yesterday, which is 10.3 as an example. When you get into Geo tab, here's the screen for Geo tab. You're going to click on Maps. You're going to go down to whatever truck it is that you're thinking about, which in this case we're going to research the 1960 Ford, and then you can minimize that. Once you click on, that tells you where it is right now. If you click on it, you can click on Show Trip. And once you click on Show Trip, I need a little more space. Let's see, hold on. Hold on. Okay. All right, so let's stretch it out a little bit more. Okay, so what we want to do is turn all these off so we get less confused, and we want to pick the date. This says October 3rd, 4th, so because it's the night of the 3rd into the 4th, so we're going to pick the 3rd. Okay, and then minimize this. Now, we can start from the top to see where they were and what they did, but much of this, October 2nd, October 3rd, hold on. Much of this is just leaving the store, and when they get to the store, the time that's in question is, let me enlarge this a little bit more. The time that's in question is right here when they left the store at let's see, 12:38. So they left the store here at 12:38. This time from here, 12:38 to 12:45 is driving time. So 12:38 to 12:45. They got to Duncan Road, which is Hollister, which is the warehouse, at 12:45. They were there for 10 minutes. They left there at 12:45 and went evidently to go to lunch. So, and here's where the problem is, because where they went to lunch is not anywhere close to the store. Actually, it took them from 12:55 to 13:12, which is 1:12. So it took them, what, 16 minutes just to get to go eat lunch. When they got there at 2:06, and they were, I mean, at 1. They got there at 1:12. They were there from 1:12 to 1:45, which is fine because 30 minutes is taken out of their lunch, but then it took them another 20 minutes to get from there to their delivery, which is on Cypresswood, which is here. And as you can see, they were at that delivery from 2 o'clock, from 2:06 to 2:59, and then it only took them just a few minutes to get back over to 1960, and they were at 1960 for the next 45 minutes, and then had to go back over to the warehouse here, and they were back at the warehouse for another 18 minutes. So the problem is two problems. One, that it took them an hour at this delivery, 54 minutes to be exact. Two is it took them 15 minutes to drive all the way over to here to eat lunch, and then another 15 minutes to drive back, and then another 5 or 6 minutes to get up here. So what we're paying them 30 minutes to go eat lunch is time from when they leave the store or leave work until they get back, not the time to eat lunch, and definitely not the drive time, especially when they're driving all the way over here. So those are the two issues that we have to address from yesterday.